Hey there. So as we have made many projects using ESP32 and the touch sensor, so today we have made the touch sensor integration with a buzzer, and we are using ESP32. So what exactly it does is, same like LED, we have replaced LED with the buzzer here, and we have connected it to touch sensor. So now whenever I am touching, the buzzer is giving the alarm. So whenever I'm removing the hand, the buzzer is getting quiet. So we can see that in ESP32 also, when I'm touching, there is this blue LED is turning on, that is internal LED. And even I have connected buzzer to the pin number 2 of the ESP32 module. So now why is this? So when I'm connecting external LED, why is this blue light turning off, and when I am connecting buzzer, why is this internal LED turning on? So ESP32 can read what is connected to it. So whenever I am connecting the external LED to the ESP32, the internal LED will be not working. If I'm using any other sense actuators like buzzer or 8x8 LED matrix or any display module, the buzzer and the internal LED will be giving us the message. So whenever I'm getting hand nearby to the ESP32, the buzzer is giving alarm as well as the blue LED is turning on. So now the connections are very simple. Like VCC and ground are connected to V in and ground of the ESP32 module, and the I naught pin of the touch sensor here is connected to the D4 of the um, ESP32 module, and the positive side of the buzzer is connected to the D2 of the ESP32 module, as I have told you in the starting of the video. And here I'm not sharing the grounds because we have two grounds in the ESP32 module. So one buzzer's ground is connected to the one ground of the ESP, and the LED touch sensor's ground is connected to the other ground of the ESP32 module. So this is what we have made the connections. So now as we have seen the output and the connections, so let us see the circuit diagram and the code. Seen the circuit diagram and the connections and the output of our integration of touch sensor with buzzer. So let us see the code now. So in code, what we have done is it is same like LED module, but we are changing the names of the pins like buzzer pin and all. So external LED was also connected to the pin number 2, and the buzzer is also connected with the pin number 2. So if we are connecting anything other than LED modules, then we will be getting the same output, like we can integrate that with our internal LED also. So now the touch pin is the input and the buzzer pin is the output of our module. So and the buzzer pin will be, by default it will be low, that means the buzzer will be off by default. And now we are giving the serial prints, that is we are using the serial monitor, so we have to give the serial bounds of our module. So as we are using ESP32, the serial bound will be little bit higher compared to the Arduino. Here we'll be using 1,15,200, that is 1152 and 00. So now the digital read will be done from the touch sensor, which is our input. And here, if the touch state is high, that is if there is any touch on the touch sensor, the buzzer will give us alarm, and in the serial monitor it will be written that touch detected. So it is not necessary to be written touch detected. You can write anything here within this bracket. And here else, if no matter what the situation is, like if there is no touch on the sensor, or the sensor is not connected properly, or anything it is, there is no touch will be written here in the serial monitor. So for the reliability, we are using delay of 100 microseconds, that is a very small amount of time. So now, as we have seen the code, let us select the communication port and the module. So here we can connect it to ESP dev module, that is ESP32 development module. So here we'll be seeing many other boards, but we have to select this board itself, and the communication port is COM9, and just we'll click on OK. And after clicking on OK, we'll start to upload. So while uploading, it will automatically compile this our code by itself. We need not do it separately. So as we can see that our code has been compiled and we have no error, and it is already sent the code to the ESP32. So here we can see that writing at 0 into some bits, and here it is starting from 0% and it is done with 100%. So that means our code has been uploaded in ESP32 module. So now here sometimes what happens is this connecting point here the code will stop to upload, and it might show some errors or something. That time what we can do is we can simply reconnect the ESP32, and again while uploading the code we can hold the boot button for 8 to 10 seconds, and then our uploading will start again. So now as our code has been uploaded, let us see the serial monitor here. So when I open the serial monitor, there is no touch, but whenever I am touching to the the touch sensor, there is touch detected, as we can see here. So this is how the serial monitor is working. So in case if I make it less bounce, then our the output will not be as we expect it to be, because we have given the serial bounds of this. And now what I'm doing is I will just increase the serial bounds, then also we cannot see any output, that is we cannot get the correct output of our module. So what we are going to do is we will connect it to the same serial bounds here which we have given here, that is 11520. So this one, and as I have changed the bound rate, the serial monitor is working properly. So this is how we integrate the touch sensor with the buzzer we have learned now. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.